Hello spinners, Alex Sukhov is here, and by the end of this video you're gonna know how to do sonic reverse. A variation of one of 4 fundamental tricks in pen spinning. If you don't know how to do any of fundamentals, check out my video about 4 basic tricks with a pen, link in description below. While doing sonic reverse, your pen moves from one slot to another, making one full circle rotation 360 degrees behind one of fingers. It rotates counterclockwise if you are right-handed, and if you spin with your left, it is clockwise. It looks like this and could be made in slots 1, 2, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 3, 4. Today I will show you this trick in slots 1, 2, 2, 3, as it is much easier to do and to get than another one. Of course, later you should learn it in all possible slots. Sonic reverse as well as sonic normal could be made palm side, palm down and palm up. Learning tricks in pen spinning would be much easier and more pleasant with a special tool. A properly made modified pen or pen mod. You know it by now, don't you? Also, I bet you know where to get one, of course, on penstock.at, delivery all over the world. Wherever you are, you can get a pen mod from there. If you don't know which mod to choose, move on to playlist on my channel with a review of all possible mods. There you can find one particular video about 5 best pen mods for beginners. Check it out. When we were learning sonic normal, we could divide the learning into 2 steps, a button sonic and just sonic. While learning sonic reverse, we don't have the 2 steps. We have only one. To learn sonic reverse easier, you'd better already know charge reverse. On my channel I don't have tutorial for this trick, charge reverse, though I have tutorial for charge normal. And I probably wouldn't make one, as it is pretty much the same as charge normal, but with different direction of pen's rotation. For those of you who already know how to do charge reverse, let's continue. Take a pen in slot 1, 2, parallel to the floor. You should hold it at the center of gravity. If you have double side mod, it would be center of your pen mod. Then push the pen a little bit with your index finger, so it becomes as outward to the floor as it is possible. Your 1 and 2 should be pretty relaxed. They should be a little bit bended also. This would be the starting position for sonic reverse. Now straighten all fingers, middle finger a little bit less than others, and it should stay pretty down to let your pen go behind it. Index should move a little faster, it should go up and bump pen mod behind middle. Your ring finger should rise as well. You need to try to connect it with your index to make this kind of lock with 1 and 3. If you have seen my video about sonic normal, it should look familiar. While doing sonic normal, ring finger does the main work. While we do sonic reverse, index finger does it, making the initial inertia and pushing the pen. You can see, while doing this kind of lock, when you connect 1 and 3, your index finger leans to ring finger much more. And you know why? That's because it also directs your pen, not only pushes it behind. After pen passes your middle finger, move the index away and lift middle finger, fixing the pen in slot 2, 3. Make sure that the same tip of the pen, which was down before the movement, is down after the movement, so you could be sure the pen made one full rotation. As time passes, your fingers would move a little bit differently. The lock wouldn't be so obvious, the middle finger would stay pretty much still. After you learned sonic reverse, and I guess you already know how to do sonic, you can connect these 2 tricks, making the movement which is called sonic harmonic. Here you can see me doing this trick. You can see clearly how index and ring finger do their job, performing the trick in different directions, and how middle finger stays pretty much still. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you liked it as well, and if you did, let me know about that. Share this video wherever you can. There will never be too many pen spinners in the world. Write down how much time did it take you to do 8 sonic reverse of 10. Check out other tutorials in the special playlist with tutorials of tricks. Subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. May the style be with you guys. Bye!